If your fireplace blower cover is loose and causing that annoying rattling noise, you're not alone. This is a super common headache, but totally fixable. So, first off, check if the blower cover screws are tight. Sometimes they just loosen up over time from all the vibrations. If you don't see screws, some covers snap in place, so try pressing gently around the edges to make sure it's seated right. Next, clean off any dust or debris, because that stuff can make things buzz or rattle more than usual. You might also want to look at the blower fan itself. If it's wobbly or dirty, that can add to the noise. Using some foam or rubber padding between the cover and the fireplace frame can help absorb vibrations and cut down on rattling sounds. Make sure not to over-tighten screws though, or you risk cracking the cover. Also, inspect for any cracks or damaged parts on the cover or blower housing. If things are broken, replacing them is usually better than patching up. Finally, turn on the fireplace blower and listen closely after each tweak to see what really helps. One of the biggest mistakes with a rattling fireplace blower cover is ignoring loose screws or clips. Tightening those is usually the quickest fix. Another common issue is dirt buildup inside the blower fan, which messes with airflow and causes noise. Regular cleaning can prevent that. Lastly, people sometimes over-tighten screws trying to fix rattles, but that can crack plastic covers and end up costing way more to replace. So go easy on the screws and use vibration dampeners instead. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle fireplace repairs like this without hassle. Contractors also love it because it connects them with real job opportunities nearby so they can keep busy and grow their business.